Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video, I'm gonna show you guys an error page. So basically, whenever you search something and that is not in the website or that can't be found, it will give you an error, and the error is called 404. So basically, the file name of this particular PHP file is 404.php, and what it shows here, you can see that oops, that page can't be found, and this is the text domain, and this is basically escaping the HTML. So what is happening whenever you are searching something and the theme that you are searching in doesn't have that particular item, this 404.php will handle that error, and basically this template will pop up. And what will happen, it will say that the page or anything that is written here you will see, then you will see that it looks like nothing was found at this location. Maybe try one of the links below or a search, then it will show you WP widget recent post. So this is the widget where it will show you some post that you can look out for. Then here you can see some other stuff as well. So basically this is the template 404.php. It basically handles all the errors of WordPress theme whenever you are searching. So yeah, so the next thing that I can show you guys is search.php, and this is something that I should start this video with. So whenever you are searching something, it will give you this template, and it will say that search results for, and it will say percent %s. And the thing is percent %s, uh, this will be changed with whatever term that you have entered. Like if you have entered WordPress, then it will show search results for WordPress. So yeah, and it will just show you the search, everything that is related or that matches that search content of yours. And if the search query that you have given doesn't get accomplished, then you will see this 404 page. So having a 404.php and having a search.php is very important for your WordPress theme. It basically shows that your WordPress has the functionality to respond and to deal with anything whenever your audience is trying to search something. So yeah, so basically that's these two are very simple, that you don't have to even give a lot of information as well. You can just show the search. You don't have to give these things as well. You can just say that the page or the content that you're looking for cannot be found, and that can be it. So you don't have to be overwhelmed by seeing all these lines of codes. Basically, if you just delete all all everything here, it works totally fine. It doesn't matter. Okay, so for the moment I'm keeping this because that's how the theme came to me. But the thing is, it is a response, and the main part of having these files are to serve the functionality, to serve the basic need of these things. So yeah, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.